What it do? So we're just gonna go ahead and jump right in this thing. This is my braid pattern that I did. Nothing special. I didn't know if I want to do left, right, up, down, side to side, so I just did a little bit of everything.
I'm so cold, you got me out here. I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average when you really don't play.
And this is my first time ever doing a quick weave on myself, so I didn't know how much edges to leave out. I didn't know how far to push the cap. Like, everything is just winging it.
How you gonna throw it away? How you gonna sit and act like it was nothing?
And I didn't have like a white pencil or anything, so I just used this little foundation stuff that I had that I usually use on my wigs to make the line to see where I would need to stop putting the tracks.
Acting like the same and nothing to you is your tongue. Fronting like you know, it got me gone. Only about yourself. Wanna find somebody else, so
I'm not gonna lie, this part had me so nervous. I didn't know what to do for real, how much to put. The shit was just dripping. Like, it was real messy, but your girl got it done.
I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average when you really don't play. How you gonna throw it away? How you gonna sit and act like it was nothing? How you gonna throw it away? How you gonna think it's so damn hard to explain? How you gonna throw it away and say I know that was not the same? How you gonna
double back and went in with the Got To Be spray just to make sure everything was, you know, protected for real, for real. So y'all already had some hair, but then I picked up some more hair. I did not realize it was pony hair. This is where I knew I had fucked up. But at the end of the day, I was like, fuck it. I bought it. I'm gonna see if I can use it. And let me tell y'all, I might be on to something right now. Like, it got a little hectic, but it really, like, took up a lot of space that I would have had to fill track by track. Like, it was kind of helpful that I did get the little pony. The only bad part about it is when I did actually put it on with the glue or whatever, I didn't place it right. So shit started getting real messy. Like, glue was on my ear. It was getting all through the hair. Like, if you would have did this better, it really can be clutch. It's really a little hack. But, you know, I just gotta get better at the shit. the glue out and, you know, kind of fixed it up a little bit, I did pretty much almost half the head just by putting the pony piece on there. Like, it's really a hack just to save time. Like, I fucks with it. I fucks with my mistake.
Oh, baby, 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 we're coming over to give you that raw. You already know tonight's the night, girl. I'm trying to get to make you say yes. On the kitchen floor, I cook the fireplace. Since your body talking that shit to me. Cancel that phone. It's on the here is your moves. You find it, there's no pennies on. And I've been thinking about this all day long. You gave me the fire door.
Southside, we gon' set this party off right. Westside, we gon' set this party off right. Yeah, this the real one, baby. Chi-town stand up. Southside, we gon' set this party off right. Westside, we gon' set this party off right. Man, I promise, yeah, this the real one, baby. Chi-town stand up. Come on. Man, I promise, she's so self-conscious. She has no idea what she's doing in college. That major that she majored in don't make no money, but she won't drop out. Her parents are looking at her funny. Now, tell me that ain't insecure. The concept of school seems so secure. Sophomore 3 years, ain't picked the career. She like.
So at this point, like, you can see the line kind of pushed back with the cap or whatever, so my actual like stopping point was kind of different, but I just had to see where I was with it and like work around it.
Long that it looked like weave, and she cut it all off, now she look like Eve, and she be dealing with some issues that you can't believe. Single black female addicted to retail.
What you want from? I get you what you want. But you want me alone. Baby, I'm acting. You feel me up, but now I'm selling it out. But I don't want you around for me. I don't want you waiting too long. It's not that I'm over you. Hello, girl. But I have things to do. So much to be your boyfriend. Mine. And you ain't making this much easier.
So once I finished putting that on, I went ahead and did my edges because I wasn't gonna cut that cap with my edges all fluffy. It was gonna cut my hair off, and that was not gonna be what's up. So I went ahead and did my edges with my Eco Styler and got them straight. I do feel like I left out too many edges, like it was hella edges. I didn't think it was that much until I started swooping them, but I mean, I worked with it.
Junior watching, I be on my. Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my. I can't really see where did I miss. Ex-strippers, new killers, shot, pepper, this on Grindr, on my mom, made the promise, Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my. I can't really see where did
got it, drive on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long. Just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name?
Take this overboard now.
So once it was all said and done, I really didn't like that green coloring in my hair, so I did go ahead and dye it black. I'm gonna have to dye the rest at a later date, but it turned out to be so cute. Everything was just flowing and it just matched, and yeah, I'm gonna have to do this more often. So it's like I could have, you know, pressed it out a little bit better, and which I'll do at a later time. But like I said, it turned out cute. But I do appreciate you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.